People often ask me how to tell their partner they have herpes. Usually, they're concerned with three key questions. Will they be rejected? When should they say it? What exactly should they say? In this video, I will guide you on the best way to do it. I'm Dr. Slava Fuzayloff, board-certified physician, and frequently handle these situations. Here is a simple step-by-step guide. Tell your partner before sexual contact, but avoid doing it on the first date. Choose a moment when there is a trust and a real potential for intimacy. Keep your message straightforward. You can say, I want to share something important before we go further. I have herpes. I understand how it works and how to reduce the risk. And I want you to decide what feels right for you. This is a basic structure. Most people worry about rejection. While rejection can happen, how people respond depends more on how you communicate it. People are more sensitive to uncertainty and perceived risk than to the diagnosis itself. So stay calm, clear, and confident. Not to convince, but to share facts and let them choose. Next, think about when to share. Not necessarily on the first or second date, but when there is a real potential for intimacy and trust before sex. Sharing too early lacks context. Sharing too late may make the other person feel they had no real choice. This is a balance between honesty and self-protection. Pick a calm, private place for the talk. Avoid doing it when emotions are high or during stressful moments. Give them time to process. Do not bring it up at the last moment. Many people overthink this. They worry about scaring the other person or not sounding confident. Feeling uncomfortable is normal. Having a simple plan helps. Be direct, show understanding, allow space for their reaction. If they ask questions, answer simply. You do not need to explain everything. If the conversation continues, you can say, this is common, and many people do not even know they have it. Do not start with that. It may sound like you are minimizing the situation. Use it later if needed. If they react negatively, do not take it personally. They may need time or may not feel comfortable. That is their decision. Following this approach makes the situation easier. It may feel difficult at first, but it becomes manageable once you know how to handle it. Do not overthink. Use a clear plan. Choose the right moment. Stay calm and honest. In most cases, it goes better than you expect. If you found this helpful, you can like the video and subscribe for more practical guidance like this.